Hey, welcome to the video. Today I'll show you these keycaps. I bought them mainly for the design and for the price I just had to give them a try. I'll be putting them on a CCC Gaming Reaper keyboard, which honestly isn't the best fit for them. I'll tell you why in a moment. So, I ordered the set on TEMU for about €9, but right now they're selling for 7. It really depends when you get them. The link will be down in the description. On TEMU it says they're made from PET. That's not the best material for keycaps in general, but since these are partly transparent, it's apparently used quite often. As you can see on my keyboard, with lights on top of the switch, the caps don't really shine through evenly. So before buying, make sure to check if they'll fit your setup. That's actually why I ended up going back to the original keycaps. And finally, here's a short sound test so you can hear how the keyboard sound has changed. Enjoy!